Hello everyone. Yesterday was the Republic Day in India. And I was thinking to wish you all a happy Republic Day in programming style. So I made a simple pattern program in Python to greet all my viewers a very happy Republic Day. So, let's begin. In this video, I will make a simple pattern program in Python, whose output will be something like this. Before starting, make sure you have these two Python modules installed on your system. First is termcolor, which will be used to color the output of our program. And the second one is pyfiglet, used for printing text in a stylish font. If you don't have them installed, I will provide the commands in the description, so you can install them later. Before writing the code, I am going to tell you how the code works. In this code, we will have an encoded string like this, which will be used in our code for printing the map of India. Basically, the string is a run-length encoding of the map of India. Alternating characters in the string stores how many times to draw space, and how many times to draw exclamation marks consecutively. First, we will import the necessary Python modules in our code. Import colored and cprint from termcolor, and then import pyfiglet. Now, we will define three variables a, b and c. Give them values as 10, 0, 10, respectively. Now, copy and paste the encoded string given in the description, and store it in a variable s. Be sure to take care of the indentation or the code will not work. Now continue with the code as shown in video. Now print a blank line. And then, we will write the code for the colored Happy Republic Day text.
Now run the code in the terminal. Make sure that you open the terminal in full screen to see the full output. An error occurred while running the code, because we don't have termcolor and pyfiglet installed in pycharm. So install them as shown in the video. Now you can see the output of our code. As you can see, the text below the map is not colored. That's because of the terminal. So I advise you to run this code in vscode to see the colored output. Now our code is completed. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share.